Good afternoon to everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Myanmar's Arkan Army brazenly enters Bangladesh up to 20 kilometers, even celebrating water festival. Simultaneously, they abduct and brutally kill Bangladeshi fishermen for ransom. Dr. Yunus remains indifferent to these atrocities, causing national shame. Furthermore, ARSA, Arkan Rohingya Salvation Army's leader, Commander-in-Chief Hafez Ataullah, representing 4 million Rohingya resisting genocide is unjustly targeted. His plight poses no threat to Bangladeshi. He vows to oppose any Arkan army aggression against the nation that shelter a million Rohingya. The world seems to ignore the plight of truth tellers. Thank you so much.